Hey friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today's Ayurveda health tip is about use of olive oil. Can we replace olive oil with coconut oil, or can we replace coconut oil with olive oil or mustard oil with olive oil? Actually, in northern part of India, we use mustard oil. In southern part of India, we use coconut oil. In Indian cooking, we raise the temperature of oil to the burning point, like even smoke start coming out, that is smoking point too in some dishes. So olive oil should never be heated to that temperature because it is not so healthy like this. If you are going to use olive oil, you can use it as a sprinkling for some salads, or even if you want to heat it, then shallow heating, not like very deep frying or these kind of things, especially for Indian cooking. If you are using olive oil and heating it to that extent, that is not so healthy. You need to use your traditional oils for cooking if you are cooking in an Indian way, and olive oil according to their traditions, that is not to very smoking point. But at the meantime, you also need to take a thing in consideration, like you should not use any of the oils in excess quantities, because excess of oil, excess of medicine, excess of organic food, excess of healthy food, excess of everything is bad for health. I hope this tip will help you. Take care.